Volvo CEO, Jim Rowan, confirmed that the successor of the XC90 will be called the EX90 during a speech about the new era of safety by the Swedish automaker. The model will be revealed on November 9th with a fully electric powertrain, state-of-the-art sensors, and sophisticated software as standard, making it the safest Volvo ever made. The model will be revealed on November 9th with a fully electric powertrain, state-of-the-art sensors, and sophisticated software as standard, making it the safest Volvo ever made. 2024 Volvo EX90 technology. The EX90 will introduce Volvo's next-generation safety technologies, which will gradually find their way into the company's other models. According to the automaker, they will offer one of the most advanced sensor sets on the market, including 8 cameras, 5 radars, 16 ultrasonic sensors, and a LiDAR sensor. The LiDAR sensor will be mounted on the roof of the EX90, able to detect pedestrians from a distance of up to 250 meters independently of the lighting conditions. Volvo hopes that the addition of the LiDAR, which will become standardized on its future models, will reduce severe accidents by up to 20% and improve the overall crash avoidance by up to 9%. 2024 Volvo EX90 design. Setting aside the next-generation exterior sensors, the EX90 will also pay close attention to the driver thanks to the new driver understanding system. Two interior cameras and a capacitive steering wheel will sense the gaze patterns and steering behavior of the person that is sitting behind the wheel, looking for signals of distraction, stress, drowsiness, or any other state that could impact driving. In such a case, the system will start with a warning signal that increases volume depending on the severity of the situation. If the driver doesn't respond, it will take action, activating the hazard lights and safely stopping the vehicle on the side of the road. Volvo chose not to show us any hints of the EX90 design yet, but our exclusive rendering based on a leaked 3D model from the patent office is most likely a close representation of the SUV. We expect to learn more about the EX90 in the coming weeks as Volvo will reveal more details prior to the premiere that is scheduled for November 9th. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and leave a comment.